You. Tutor. Hello, today I will show you how to register on NBI online website so you can get your own NBI clearance. To start, go to https://clearance.nbi.gov.ph. It is important that you copy this exact URL on your browser so you'd be directed on the exact website of NBI. NBI's official page. It will look like this. Go ahead and click Agree and Close. Just fill up the details here. For new users, fill up this part. After doing so, go ahead and log in your email and password. Your page should look like this. Then go ahead and click Apply for Clearance. Choose the type of ID that you will use when you go and pick up your clearance. Read the important reminders. Pick a date that suits you. Pick the NBI branch and the mode of payment. And that's all, pretty easy, right? Go now and get your NBI clearance today.